Today we're comparing two high-performance tires, the Pirelli Cinturato P7 C2 and the Continental PremiumContact 7. Behold the inaugural display of Continental's latest touring segment tire, PremiumContact 7, unveiled in late 2022. The Cinturato P7 C2, on the other hand, has been available since 2020 and has earned a commendable reputation in various press tests. In wet conditions, the differences become more pronounced. The PremiumContact 7 outperforms the Cinturato P7 C2 in several key tests. It excels in wet braking, stopping 1.3 meters shorter than the Pirelli, a crucial advantage in emergency situations. Additionally, it boasts a 0.46-second faster lap time in wet handling tests, offering superior agility and confidence during rainy weather driving. Continuing with aquaplaning resistance, the P7 C2 initially shows a slight edge with a higher slipping speed, suggesting better water displacement. However, in curved aquaplaning scenarios, the PremiumContact 7 quickly regains the lead, demonstrating a faster lateral acceleration, which translates to enhanced safety and control when navigating through wet curves. Shifting to dry conditions, the Continental tire continues to impress with better dry braking by 0.5 meters and quicker handling, marked by a 0.53-second advantage over the Pirelli. These results highlight the PremiumContact 7's consistency in performance across different driving conditions. In terms of noise and comfort, the Pirelli Cinturato P7 C2 edges out its competitor. It's quieter by 1.8 decibel, significantly reducing road noise, and scores higher in comfort ratings, ideal for drivers who prioritize a smooth and serene driving experience. When it comes to rolling resistance, an important factor for fuel efficiency and environmental impact, both tires are competitive. The P7 C2 has a slightly lower rolling resistance, which may appeal to eco-conscious drivers. However, the differences are minimal, indicating that both tires perform efficiently in this aspect. Overall, the Continental PremiumContact 7 excels in wet and dry performance, making it a strong choice for safety and handling. The Pirelli Cinturato P7 C2, with its advantages in noise, comfort, and rolling resistance, caters to those looking for a quieter and more efficient ride. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.